Today I'm showing you an exciting modification. We've replaced the electric motor with a 7 HP gasoline engine in our wood chipper. This upgrade provides much more mobility and power to the machine, perfect for chipping branches and wood, even where there's no electrical supply. This video is just a preview. If you want to see the complete step-by-step build of the chipper, click the link to the full video on our channel. So what do you think of this adaptation? Leave your comments below, hit that like button for support, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming projects. See you in the next video.